In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinematic shot on Sora 2. If you're passionate about photography or video editing and you're using Sora 2, you're in for a treat as we delve into crafting that perfect cinematic scene. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to open the Sora 2 application on your device. Sora 2 is a powerful tool for photographers and videographers alike, offering a range of features to help you create stunning visuals. Once you have the application open, you'll find a variety of options available for your project. Next, to achieve that classical cinematic look, you'll want to select the landscape option with a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the go-to format in the film industry, providing a widescreen effect that is visually appealing and perfect for storytelling. Ensuring your shots are in 16:9 will give them that filmic quality and draw your audience into the scene. Now comes the exciting part, adding your prompt. In the input bar, type in cinematic scene, film lighting, shallow depth 4K. This prompt will guide Sora 2 to emphasize a cinematic feel, incorporating professional film lighting and a shallow depth of field that brings focus to your subject while creating a beautiful background blur. The addition of 4K ensures that the end result is in stunning high resolution, capturing every detail crisply. After setting your prompt, it's crucial to adjust the realism settings. Set this to high to ensure that your scene comes out as lifelike as possible. This level of realism adds depth and intensity to your shots, making them more engaging to the viewers and providing a professional flair to your work. Another element that contributes to the cinematic quality of your shot is the camera motion. In Sora 2, you have the opportunity to add dynamic movement to your scenes. Select the doll camera motion option to incorporate a smooth and steady camera move. This type of motion mimics the technique used in professional films where the camera is mounted on a dolly, creating a sense of movement that adds emotion and context to the scene. Once you have all these settings in place, simply click on Generate to bring your cinematic vision to life. Sora 2 will process your inputs and craft a scene that reflects all the elements you've defined, giving you that breathtaking cinematic shot that's ready to impress. And there you have it. A simple, yet effective way to create stunning cinematic shots using Sora 2. Practice these steps and experiment with different prompts and settings to see how you can personalize your cinematic creations. Happy shooting, and enjoy the process of bringing your artistic visions to life on screen.